Vinyl printing on t-shirts can be a lot of fun, and in this video we are going to show you how to heat press in multiple layers. Secure the lower layer of your design onto the t-shirt and place the t-shirt onto the heat press. Always remember the Teflon. Set the heat press to 155 degrees Celsius and the timer at 7 seconds. Now remove the vinyl backing and apply the second layer. Repeat the process. Now press it for the third time to ensure that both layers are properly set. The front is done, and you can do exactly the same for the back of the t-shirt. And there you go. Multiple layered vinyl heat pressing on both front and back of t-shirts in minutes. If you are interested in the purchase of heat presses, you are welcome to call AM.CO.za sales on 060 600 6000.